Welcome to IDS-KT. Let's explore an important topic shaping the future of defense and global security. I'm the founder and director of International Defense Security and Technology, a California-based nonprofit think tank dedicated to research and analysis on global defense, security, and emerging technologies. I also serve as CEO of Interplanix LLC, a New Mexico-based company advancing satellite risk analysis, orbital debris forecasting, and space security frameworks to ensure mission assurance and resilience. Previously, I served in leadership roles at India's Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. Most recently as Director of the Systems Analysis, Modeling, Safety, and Quality Cluster at DRDO Headquarters, New Delhi. This channel brings you deep insights into the global security ecosystem, from geopolitics and emerging military technologies to cyber, space, and system-level analysis of tech trends and their interrelationships. Subscribe and join us as we decode the forces shaping the future of global defense and human security.
Have you ever wondered what the ocean really sounds like? Not just the waves or whale songs, but the hidden hum of human activity beneath the surface. Today, we are diving into a silent but powerful force reshaping our oceans and military strategies. Underwater radiated noise, or URN. It's not something you can see. But for marine life and naval forces, it's a threat that's getting louder every day. What is URN? Underwater radiated noise refers to the sound emitted by ships, submarines, and underwater infrastructure. It comes from propellers, engines, and machinery. While often unnoticed by humans, this noise travels far across the ocean, becoming a major form of pollution. Over the past few decades, as marine traffic and industrial activity have surged, so has this invisible acoustic intrusion. And it's having serious consequences. Impact on marine life. Many sea creatures like whales, dolphins, and even fish rely on sound for survival. They use it to communicate, navigate, hunt, and avoid predators. But when human-generated noise drowns out their natural signals, it's like trying to talk in a crowded room where you can't hear yourself think. The result? Disrupted feeding, failed mating, lost navigation, and even mass strandings, where panicked animals beach themselves. Chronic noise exposure also causes stress, weakens immune systems, and reduces reproductive success. It's a slow, quiet breakdown of entire ecosystems. Economic consequences. And the ripple effects don't stop with marine life. Noise pollution hurts humans, too, especially those who depend on the ocean. Fishing industries suffer as fish populations decline or move away from noisy waters. Tourism, particularly whale watching, takes a hit when marine mammals abandon their usual routes. Even underwater infrastructure like cables and pipelines can suffer damage from vibration and pressure, leading to expensive repairs. This silent threat is costing billions annually. Military implications. Now, here's where things get strategic. For modern navies, stealth is everything. Submarines and naval vessels are designed to be quiet, but URN can give away their position. Adversaries can detect these sounds using passive sonar, jeopardizing covert missions. High background noise also interferes with communication between vessels, and makes sonar less effective at detecting underwater threats like enemy subs or mines. In other words, noise not only harms ecosystems, it weakens national security. Emerging technologies and solutions. The good news: we are not helpless. Engineers and researchers are developing technologies to turn down the volume. For example, silent propeller designs like the pressure pores trademark system reduce cavitation noise. Electric propulsion replaces diesel engines with quieter alternatives. And bubble curtains, yes, walls of bubbles are being used to shield marine life from noisy construction like pile driving. Next, general sonar systems are also being fine-tuned to be more targeted and less disruptive. Meanwhile, ships are adjusting speeds and routing through designated quiet zones to minimize their acoustic footprint. Global efforts and regulations. On the regulatory front, the International Maritime Organization has introduced guidelines for quieter ship design. Some regions, like the Mediterranean, are creating quiet areas with stricter controls. But most of these steps are still voluntary. Advocates are calling for stronger global standards, ones that protect both marine ecosystems and military operations. Closing, call to awareness and action. Underwater radiated noise may be invisible, but its consequences are very real. It's a silent war on ocean life, economic resilience, and national defense. Reducing this noise doesn't mean halting progress, it means designing smarter, more responsible systems that harmonize with the rhythms of the sea. Because the ocean doesn't need to roar to be heard, it just needs us to listen.